got a bit to learn about this 40. Welcome back to the 40 channel. Today we're going to strip the glass out, or the Bailey channel out, the felt out, the little guides out, strip the entire back door off. Start by stripping all this rubber off. Non-genuine door handle. We'll toss that. Alright, so if you grab one of these tools, a couple bucks from an auto shop, and you come up in line with the winder handle, just give it a good push, pop straight off. Have a look. It's a little clip we're trying to get off. Alright, these just have some little clips under them. You should be able to get your hands straight under there. Just pop them up. Right, so we just get 11 hex bolts to pull out. Is 10mm plus the 2 on the bottom of the windscreen. Have the windscreen just wound up just a fraction so you can get to those 2 to make life much easier later on. Right, so your door lock handle, if you follow these bars down, they clip in just in some little clips here. Just give it a push, support under one part, push on the other side, and they'll just pop out. The bottom of the window frame here, you've got 2 more 10s, just undo them. Right on the side of the door, at the lock here, which is totally shagged, as you can see, it's all worn out through here. 3 Phillips heads, and this is not genuine, so yours should not look like that. It should just look like one of the other little bolts that we pulled out from the top. We'll remove all these. And we see why they've put that, why they've put this washer in. Big giant rust hole there. Just pull that window up. Now that we've got it undone. So when you get up here, try and push that window all the way back up. Freeze up. Getting out all of this mechanism. Now I had a lot of troubles with the window winding up and down on this side. I would say it's because all this here is pretty flogged out, so that'll be replaced. Okay, window's still up. I've got this little bit of a channel here. So just pull that down. That's out. Right, now we need to get the door handle out. Again, there's only 3 bolts. M10s again. Right, so there's 1, 2 and 3. 2 bolts here. Use this hole to come down and get the other one. Alright, so now we should be able to get the door lock out. You might have to push this down a bit so it can just slide through the hole. Alright, there's our locking mechanism. It's pretty crusty. Alright, so now we've got all the hardware out of the door. We can just push that window down a bit, back down, all the way can start getting this Bailey channel out. Mine's no good, so I'm just trying to keep mine. If yours is in good nick, then you might want to be a little bit more gentle with it than I am being. Righto, so inside this hole here, we have the other side of the door lock. You just see this little pin here. Should be able to just pull that back. Give it a bit of a push. Alright, there's our door lock. Right, now all the hardware's been removed from inside. We can get this glass out. So spin it right around. Turn it right around, then we should be able to pull it. There you go. Glass out. So the only thing we have left now are these little felt brushes. They're just held in with some little tiny clips. So just very carefully, you can just come along and just work along. Pop them out. Alright, you can see those little clips. And you can see this setup is a bit different to the other side. Anyway, we'll give Mr. Land Cruiser a call and see what he has to say and what he's got for sale, I suppose. Alright, so last thing left is our door's got these little rubber plugs, which the last bloke's just painted over. So we'll show you how we remove all these. Alright, so just fold that in, give it a gentle little push from the top, a little pull from the bottom. And they'll come out in pretty good nick. I'll clean all this paint off them and they'll be ready to use. Alright, so that's it. We stripped the door down, removed all the hardware, all the Bailey channel, the felts, the glass, it's all out. Got to get some new parts for it, but that's okay. That's fairly easy to chase up. This is ready to be stripped down of paint and on to the next stage. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see some more of my stuff. Thank you for your support.